Hello viewers, let's see, we will check MX Pro addressable panel. We can see here sounder cables and battery and two loop cards and two loops and two relays, alarm and fault. We can make it through alarm and fault. Let's see how we can check the troubles what are in the panels. Okay, just take a right button to check what is the exact status of device. It will show if you are programmed like zones, it will show zone, otherwise it will direct show to device. Let's see, loop 1 device number 56, it's high level. Actually it is smoke detector pre-alarm, it means it is dirty. We need to clean this one. And sector 1 node 0, because we have only one panel. And next we can check zone 2. Here we can find pre-alarm and we can press right arrow, high level store area, optical, it means smoke detector, sector 1. Now we can see like this in alarms. And also we will check now the faults, what are the status. Here it's showing 3 zones in fault. Let's take a look. Zone 1 to 2000. Okay, is device missing, it means commands, otherwise it's not getting voltage, it is call point. Okay, sector 1 node 0. And also if you found like this zone 200, it means battery fault. Okay, let's now we will take a look inside menu. Now we will see here view, disable, enable, text, print, commission, status. If you press status, it will be show display. Now view, here you can see alarm, fault, fire, disable, log, inputs, outputs, panel, network. Now fires, if you press fires, if the panel has any alarm like fire, it will show, otherwise it won't be show anything. Let's see, now I will press fire, it won't work because there is no fire in the panel. Now we will check now false, we have false, right? So it will show false. See, zone 1 to 200. As in the beginning of the video we check all these things. Alarms, so you can see pre-alarms in the beginning of the video, we check this one. If you find any pre-alarm like it's dirty in MX Pro, it's Apollo. Now we will check disable and lock. If you see any history, we want to check fire and false, we can see here fire events only, fire alarm counters, all events, it means troubles, false, fires, anything you can see here. Okay, like this we can check. If we enter, you can see it. Now here we will go inputs. Okay, inputs, what are the main monitor modules, call points, these are inputs. You can see zones, enable and disable also, we can from here sometimes if it is programmed. And outputs, let's see, if you see outputs, if you press right arrow, you can see relays all, like this we can check this one. Or else we have another option, we can check all details from all device. Okay, here panel we can check, in the panel details we can check battery voltage, charger voltage, sounder voltage, like inbuilt. See here, sounders, status, and also charger. It is showing battery 5.5 volts. It means battery very low. It's also showing here too low. We need to replace. And earth monitoring also available here, and loop voltage, first loop, second loop, we can check indirectly in the panel. Now networking, if we have more than one panel, we can see here panel 1, panel 2, panel 3, panel 4, and also status and troubles. Like this we can check in the status. Now we will go disable, enable, test, print, commissioning, and status. Now we will check in disable. Okay, and if we go in disable, we can see zone, inputs, outputs, control, delay, mode, user id, groups. Okay, here we can disable anything. Zone inputs specific, you can press, the password is 7654. It is a common password. Let's see zone and enables. Location, if you see here, device missing, and if you press here it will be disabled. See, now it is disabled. Okay, we need to enable. If it is, we have to go in enable, we can enable them. We can go back, outputs, and also controls, it means control relays. Outputs, here it will go sounders and other outputs, and only selected outputs. If you want to individual only one by one, you can use all individuals. Okay, now here all sounders disable. Okay, now enable. Let's see, we will enable. Now we disable sounders, right? This is enables. Zone inputs, we already disable one thing, device number 1. Now we can enable them. See, now it's enabled. Or else you can disable whole zone, and or else you can enable whole inputs also. Okay, now outputs, it's already done by sounders. In test, we will make one video for this one. And commissioning, 7654 its password, enter. Now you can see here loops, zone, exit, outputs, time delay, view. You can see here loop 1, loop 2, and you can see view, edit, auto lane, calibrate, and driver. Here view, you can see all devices, status, type, and location also. See device missing, normal, normal, device missing, optical, value, and location. Like this you can check how many devices are available in the loop and what are they. And auto lane, calibrate, driver, it is a programming, but we will make video for this one in another video, how to program, how to learn, and how to put the labeling in the device. In loop 2 also same. Now zones are, you know better than. And now we will see time and delay, how to update. It is showing 12:06, but we need to make it another time. See, Like this we can update the time and date, we can change it. Like this we can know about this one, and we will make another video for a deep outer land status. These all things which are missing, how can we test the LED of the devices. Okay, like this. If you want to exit all these things, status, enter. See, time and date also changed.